In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets for business productivity. 2026. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. For example, rename it to 2026 Productivity Tracker. A clean, descriptive title helps keep your files organized as your system grows. Next, set up your structure. In row 1, add your column headers from left to right: date, task, category, priority, status, deadline, and notes. These 7 columns will capture everything you need to manage daily work. Bold row 1, so the headers stand out from your data. If your dates don't display correctly, you can adjust the date format later using the Format menu. Now add a few example categories in the category column to organize your work. Common ones include client work, content creation, admin, sales or prospecting, and personal. Categorizing your tasks makes it easier to review where your time goes and spot patterns you might want to change. To make your sheet faster to update, add drop-down menus. For the priority column, select the entire column, then go to Data, Data Validation, and create a drop-down with 3 options: high, medium, and low. This keeps your priorities consistent across entries. Do the same for the status column. Create a drop-down with Not Started, In Progress, Completed, and Follow Up. Standardizing status labels helps you filter and summarize work later with less cleanup. Let's add a bit of automation to boost visibility. With the status column selected, go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Create a rule that says, if the text is completed, fill the cell with green. This simple visual cue lets you scan the sheet and immediately see what's done without reading every line. Below your task table, create a short daily summary so you can measure progress. For total tasks, enter is counta B2s B100. For completed tasks, enter ISO county IF E2 E100. Completed. For completion rate, enter ASI count IF E2 E100. Completed. Count A B2 B100. Then format that cell as a percentage. If your task list grows beyond row 100, you can extend these ranges to fit. Finally, create a higher level view. Add another sheet tab and name it Weekly Summary. Use it to track totals for the week, how many tasks you completed, how many were directly tied to revenue, and any missed deadlines. Referencing your main sheet here makes weekly reviews faster and helps you decide what to prioritize next. That's your streamlined, repeatable productivity.